We have just arrived and it is like being in a movie. It is so awesome. This is Pecan Pod. Laura's already going inside. I better catch up. So there we go, that's the end of our 2-night stay at KolKol. This over here is Pecan Pod. This is one of 3 pods at KolKol. This is the only one that's currently open. There are 2 that are currently being constructed. They'll be open at the beginning of next year. When you watch this video, they might already be open, so make sure to check that out. 7 years ago, Lara and I spent 2 nights at KolKol in Bugsy Cabin, and we had an amazing stay. We created a video. If you search on YouTube, you'll probably find it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have a few tips if you are going to come and visit KolKol. The first one is book in advance. Availability is very limited, so book way in advance and secure your spot. Definitely, if you can, get a pod if it's only 2 of you. If it's a bigger group, they have different cabins that sleep up to 8 people, I believe. So there are a bunch of different options for staying at KolKol. If you do come and stay at Pecan Pod, definitely make use of the wood-fired plunge pool or jacuzzi. It takes about 1.5 to 2 hours to heat up. So what I always do is I get up really early in the morning and then I light the fire so that it's nice and hot by the time we get out of bed, and then we watch the sunrise. The other thing is check out the shower. If you turn it all the way up, it's like you're standing under a waterfall. I only did that for a few seconds to conserve the water. This pod comes with a pizza oven. We made pizzas this time. Definitely bring ingredients for pizzas. Then there's braai facility and there's a potjie pot, and what we did this time is we made a vegetarian potjie. And yeah, just relax. Enjoy these amazing views. It's so special being out in nature, and what an amazing thing they've created here with these pods. I really enjoyed the stay. We'll definitely be back and we'll be sharing the news. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions about KolKol, leave them in the comments below or check out their website. I'll leave any links in the description below. I appreciate you watching this video. I will chat to you soon. I'm Twomey. Cheers.